Hello, nice to have me again. It's another video, and today we'll be talking about something crucial to working from home. Actually, since the COVID-19 pandemic and the stay home um, order has been issued, a lot of people have been working from home using different applications. So I want to teach you some tricks. But before then, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please, this is the right time to do it. Just click subscribe. You can like, share, and comment on this video if it benefits you anyway, and if it doesn't, subscribe anyway. Okay, welcome back. You might be wondering why I have a green background, but that is why, the reason why I'm having this video. So let's get right into it so you can see why I have this background. It's actually called the chroma. Quite a number of you have been working from home using different applications, and I want to show you some trick you can use to get a very good video background for yourself.
Okay, now that you are in the Zoom application, the next thing for you, let us have this one tonight. Yes, the next thing is to go to this place beside the video icon and click choose virtual background. When you click choose virtual background, then you can choose whatever background you want. It's either you come right here, add image, then you can browse for the image you want. So like my home right now, I have this image of Pink Electric, and you can see I have a green screen, which means that you must have a green background. And actually there are some specification your system will have. They are Windows 7 and thereabout. I'm not sure this can work, but you have to have 8 and above. So that is why I have this screen right now. If I choose none, you will see what my screen look like. Actually, I'm having a green screen behind me, and that is why this is really possible right now. So that is how to have a very nice background for your Zoom meeting, and this is quite presentable. And another thing you can do for yourself is to change the webcam to HD camera. That will make a lot of sense.
Okay, so that's it. That's how you change your background on Zoom and have a very pleasant background wherever you want. The same thing is applicable with your phone. Just go to the virtual background settings and choose whatever you want, but make sure you have a green background. That's the secret. Once you have a green background and you can have a very clear camera, then you are good to go. If you have benefited from this video, please subscribe. That's the only support I want from you. Me, it's free. Click the next video, check my other videos, and I'll sure to upload more. Thank you.